Guys, today's your lucky day. I'm gonna teach you the 3x3. 3 simple steps by 3 simple steps how to detail an engine. You guys owe me your life after this. You ain't gotta spend thousands and thousands of dollars at the car wash anymore. You have 3 microfibers, same color, dark. Why? So you won't stain up your rags and they'll look ugly as hell. Grab one. That's the first one you're gonna use. Step 2. You got 3 easy products, cheap products you could buy. Cheap as in price, quality as in the best quality in the whole damn world. First thing you're gonna start off is waterless.
What's cracking, guys? Hey, Nelson, I work right here at 3D Los Angeles, and my boy over there, Bros Demons, working on his car right now. So, first of all, he's using waterless car wash. Now, this right here goes all the way around, man. It cleans windows, engine bays, cleans everything you might think about without using one bucket of water. He's using it on his engine bay right now. He's gonna teach you guys how this is gonna clean up anything inside.
Step 1, make sure your mist is correct. You got your little rag. But this is very important. You're waterless, you always have to mist whatever area you're gonna start on. So I'm gonna start on this cap, right? I'm gonna mist that, little mist, not that much. Why am I misting waterless first? Because it's gonna protect this plastic, anything from getting stained. Step 2, all purpose. See, good thing I did that. I would've got all over everywhere. Ready? Right on top of the waterless. Remember that microfiber I told you to grab? That's your first step. Come on, it's your first step of all your microfibering. You wanna make a little bit more cash, get a little bit deeper in the engine? Look at this. These pop off. They're just covers. Look at that. Same process. Waterless, I missed it. A little bit of all-purpose. Remember, you could spray it directly on the microfiber. Everybody recommends it that way. The way I do it like this, because it could get in the nicks and cranny and just wipe it all off. Easy peasy, people, easy peasy. We're gonna do the whole damn engine now. Got you. Always make sure it goes where it goes. Remember, you have 3 rags. This other one is just to make sure fingerprints is off. Well, this is one of the last steps I always do with the instant shine. The reason I didn't do it in there with the instant shine, because nobody's really gonna look in there. Not even a customer most of the time, because a lot of these people don't know these covers come off. So you know what? Instant shine time, baby.
All right, now for the final step. Bro's about to use this at the end. Now this thing right here, 3D Instant Shine number 915. And the beauty about this is it's good for any plastic vinyl coatings, mud flaps, steppers in the back, steppers in the side, anything that has plastic all over, you can use it on. Especially you can use it on motors. Now this bad boy, at the touch, it dries up, so you can use it on the engine. It's not like those cheap products that you have out there that you sprays on, and then you have to worry about that thing catching on fire. You know what I'm talking about in the Instagram videos. So check us out, check out him. Hey, 3D Instant Shine. It doesn't work.
Remember about microfiber 3? Buff it all in. It's nice and shiny. We're good. We're ready to roll. 3 single steps. Easy. Done peasy. Pay me. Let's go. For all you guys that say you can't see and if the plastic is clean or not, you're gonna be able to see right now. guys ready for the grand reveal? Check this out. Boom, bam! Check out the difference. And remember, guys, you don't have to worry about the electrical. Stop listening to all those people that, oh my God, your car's gonna stop working, it's gonna catch on fire. Just say like they taught me. Yeah. Okay. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Rose mud. We're running low on water. There we go. Very good. We're like at half of the engine already. We just need the supercharger and a little piece right there. Come look at this Demon, he's a little dirty. Gotta do this piece right here. Whoa. What? Let me do half of this so you guys can check out half of this and then be like, it wasn't even dirty. Saw it on the video. Look at that. You gonna tell me that's not dirty? Look at the Demon, he's smiling. He was mad. Now he's smiling. Cause he's shiny. You guys saw how bad this engine was, right? Look how bad this is. Just look. Just like pay attention. I got this. Just remember, while you're doing this, be careful if you unplug something. Always make sure you plug it right back. It's very, very important. Always remember, a lot of people are scared on products to clean paint. You gotta remember the paint inside the engine, it's a lot way stronger than the one on the outside because of the heat that it creates. All the mechanical guys that are in there dropping their tools or whatnot. So always remember the paint that's in the engine is way stronger than the one outside. Because I want a lot of training stuff. It's a show car, it has to look shiny, but at the same time, I drive the damn thing day and night. Little bonus for you guys on this video, the air grabber. Everybody asked me about the air grabber. Air grabber, basically, it grabs air from 3 different spots in the front end of this car. It looks like your average air filter, and now AFE hooked me up with the little carbon fiber, a little beastie one, but I'm gonna show you. Come down here. Let me show you really fast. See the Demon? You see that dirty Demon in there? That counts as 1. This counts as 2. Now you wanna see the third one? The third one is the special one. It's the best one I love. Look at this. Say hello. So that's why we got this big scoop in the hood. Makes it the Demon, because the air comes right through there, right through here, onto the filter. So that's why it's called the air grabber, because this mug grabs air from everywhere. Guys, engine is clean. Everything is done. Our only problem that we have is we gotta watch the outside. It's bad. Share, like, subscribe. We need your subscriptions. It's just a little click. Click on it, share it, like it, whatnot. We appreciate you, and always remember, we're doing this from the heart. We don't have a big sponsor behind us letting the money out. We're doing this from the heart. So take care of us by subscribing and sharing and liking.